This is a kitchen I'm remodeling here to rip the floor up, and gonna lay some ceramic tiles over here. Some nice gray tiles in this green kitchen. But I kind of wanted to go through how to use a tape measure. So let's go through the motions here. Now, let me change my camera position. The first thing I want you to notice about the American units of measurement and linear distance is that, let's say this is the 0, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in American architecture, we go by what is called the foot, 12 inches in a foot. So you got to think in multiples of 12. Now, here's the other funny thing. Let's take one of these inches. And if you look close at the inch, what do they do to the inch? Well, they take an inch and they divide it in half. And then they take that half and divide it into quarters. And then they take that half and divide it into eighths. And they take that half and divide it into 16. So typically, the American inch is divided up into 16ths. Now, it can get fractionally smaller or larger. So let me kind of go ahead and show you how to use the tape measure. So I want to measure this kitchen. I want to get a good rough measurement of this kitchen. So I'm going to set it to 0 over here and then kind of roll it into the corner so I hit the edge here. Now, what I want you to notice is it looks like I pick up 12 feet even. Let me zoom into that. Looks like I pick up 12 feet even. So, 12 feet, well, how many inches is that? And I can write that down on my piece of paper if I wanted to, but 12 inches are in a foot, so I need to multiply 12 times 12, and what you'll come up with is 184. So that's a big thing with American architecture, is that we use these feet and inches. So feet and inches, and generally how we express that is this. So in my situation, I had 12 feet, so I'd write that, and what I would write is the 12 goes first, so I'm going to write 12. And then I'm going to put the foot symbol, which looks like this, and then a hyphen or a dash. And then, after I do that, I put a 0 and the inch symbol, which looks like this. So when I write that all out, it's going to look like that. And this is going to read as 12, 1, 2, foot symbol, dash 0 inch. And that's the American system. And just remember, in that situation, everything in American architecture, we get 12 inches in a foot, 12 inches in a foot, and then we take each inch and divide it typically into 16ths. So that's a little quick lesson on American architecture.